Okay, and then here's the first band that I bought for my Pebble time steel. A black one that I got to replace this one, which is the original one that comes with the watch, which I don't like so much. So let me show you what it looks like out of the packaging and on the face of the watch. So while I'm doing this, let me just show you how to take off the band here. You'll see there's like a little notch that you pull in here on the back, and then you just pull out. And it's the same on the back on the other side here. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to kind of show you how you use this device to remove links from your watch. This is the wristband, and each link is held together by one of these pins. So to get it out, you need to, I've already done this one, as you can see. You put it onto your adjusting tool here, and then you screw the device up to pop that pin out, which you can see, like I said, I've already done. Once the pin's out, popped out, you can pull it out, and now you can pull the links apart. And then you just do that for however many links you want to take out, to adjust the size, and then you put it back in once you figured out the correct size. Okay, to get the band now connected, after you've sized it to where you want it to be, to get it back into your watch face, kind of just do the reverse of what you did before. As you can tell, I'm not that great at it. Just learning the ropes here. Kind of just do the reverse by pushing that down. Just do the reverse here. There you go. Okay, so here it is with the black finished band on. I like it how it looks a lot better now with this one than the original one. I don't know what they were really thinking, but yeah, I like how this one looks. So if you like the look of this band or the watch itself, I will put links to the products in the description below for Amazon. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.